Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite CAT Prep channel Quantifiers. In today's DILR set, after 4 days of very difficult level sets, we have come down to some moderate level set today. So we are going to cover a very decent set on DILR, not particularly very easy, not particularly very difficult, just a moderate level set. Should have been done in the exam. The optimum time to do this set should be around 7 to 8 minutes at max. Okay. So let's see what the set is all about. This is the overview of the courses we provide. Our new course is going to start on 15th, on very soon. Okay. So let's see what the set is all about. It says, in a laboratory, unit samples of chemicals A, B, C, D, E, F are made by mixing in ingredients LMNOP in the weight or as shown in the table below. So that this is how chemical A is made by putting L, M, N, O, and P in this is grams. The cost of each ingredient is L150, 50, 125, 175. Okay, so this is the cost. Okay. A unit sample of chemical ABC represents a new sample formed by mixing a unit sample of A, B, and C. So if I have to make ABC, so I have to add the total quantity, whatever this is, the total quantity, whatever this is, and total quantity, whatever this is. So if this is X, this is Y, this is Z. So new sample ABC will constitute of X plus Y plus Z and the composition thereafter. So L will be total of 30 and so on and so forth. So this is how we will proceed in this. Okay, so pretty straightforward. Now let's see what is the total here. Okay, so our first question is, which of the following chemical has the highest proportion by weight, and we are going to F. So let's just calculate the total. 10 and 20, 30 and 100, 130. Okay. Now, 10 and 20, 30, 130. Okay. 35, 65, 75, 85, 40, 80 and 30, 110. 30, 60, 80, 110, 155. 55, 60, 70, 85, 60, 110, 165. So this is the total. Now I have to, the first question asks me which of the following chemical has the highest proportion by weight of ingredient M. So M divided by, if I say ABC into 100, this is what I have to calculate the ratio, right? So if I talk about ABC, ingredient M is 20, 20, 40 and 30, 75. Divided by a total of 240, 85, 325 into 100. Okay, so this is what we have to compare. So let me teach you how to compare the ratios without actually solving them. So this is the first thing I have. The second thing, so the first ratio is 75 upon 325. Okay, do not calculate anything as of now. Then 85 this, so this is 9, 200, 310, 245, the total is 350. Okay. And 20, 30, 50, 85. Okay. So now if I leave, okay, so 85 is just replaced by 85 if I see now. Okay, अगर इस 85 को छोड़ देंगे तो ये 85 आ जाएगा, so the total is going to be consistent, that is 350. And the composition now will be 35, 30, 35, 105. So 100 is the composition. Right. And in the last one it is 166, 320, 405 upon sorry, 401 above is 30, 65 and 45, 110. So this is what my totals are everywhere. So this is definitely not the case. This is also definitely not the case. Why? Because if I am adding equal numbers to numerator and denominator, my this fraction will always be greater than this fraction. I can take a very small example. So if I am taking 4 by 5, it is 80%. Let me add 1 to both. 5 by 6, it is 83.33%. Okay. Is 3 by 4, that is 75%. 2 by 3, that is 66%. So if I'm adding 1 consistently over everything, you will not get, you will always get your higher percentage results. So basis this, I can actually exclude option 1 and option 2 in few seconds. Now I'm left with these two. So this is 10 by 35, or I can say 2 by 7. Okay. And that is somewhere around 1 by 7 is 14.28, so 28.56. And 110 by 405 is 22 by 81, which translates to 10% is 8, 30% is 25.3, 24.3. So we have to come back 1.1, that is 1%. So it is somewhere around 27%, which is lower than that, right? So the highest percentage is 28.56, which is the answer for the first question. I hope you got it. Okay. Let's read the second question. The second question says, which of the following chemical is the cost of a unit sample is the lowest? So cost is the lowest. So cost is lowest mean how is the cost made? Cost for chemical A will be made by amount of L used, that is 10 into 150 plus 20 into 50. For the first time writing it completely. 0 into 125, 75 into 100 plus 25 into 75. So 1500, 1000, 1250. Sorry, this is 0 into 125. 0, 7500 and 25 into 75. Now, how do I solve it quickly? 25 can be written as 100 by 4 into 75, which is nothing but 7500 by 4, okay, which is quite easy now, 721875. This is how I calculate my equations easily and quickly. Okay. So what is the total here? 15, 25, 10,000, 11,875 is the cost for the first. Or if it is about B, if I talk about B, 15 into 150 is 2250, 20 into 50 is 1000, into 125 is 3750, 10 into 100 is 1000, and at last 10 minutes. So if I compare it, it is pretty low. I'm not even going to calculate it and waste my efforts because this is same. The deficit is 3750, which is quite high over here and quite high over here. So I'm not even going to calculate this. So B is definitely out of the race. Okay. See, 5 into 150 is 750. 35 into 50 is 1750. 40 into 125 is 5000. 5 into 500 and 25 into 75 again is 1875. So deficit is 1500. So sorry, 1500. This. Okay, again, quite a difference, because if I say 7000 is the difference only here, so I'm not again going to calculate it. C is also out of the race. 30 into 150 is 4500. A good number to start with. 30 into 50 is 1500, so the cost is 6000 up to now. 20 into 125 is 2500. Fine. 30 into 100 is 3000, definitely good. And 30 into 45 into 75. Now, how do I calculate 45 into 75 quickly? 75 into 75 is 300 by 4. So it can be written as 45 into 300 by 4. Okay. So it is nothing but 13500 by 4. So 4 there 12, 1 5, 4 there 12, 2 0, 3 3 5. Now 7 5 actually. 4 there 12, 1 5, 4 there 12, 3 0 for the 20. Okay, 3 3 7 5. Now if I compare this cost is definitely higher. 6000 into 500, 11,500 and 14,000 something, 14,875 approximately. Okay, so it is quite a high cost. So this is my required answer. D is my required answer. Okay. Last question. Last question says, if a unit sample of each of the chemicals A, B, C, D, E, F is mixed together, yani all I'm adding all of the ingredients. So 1, 240, 325, and 155, and 320, 10, 85. The Total is going to be 730, right? Perfect, 730. Right. So now, which of the ingredient is above 20%? Above 20% means above 1 by 5 or above 1 by 5 as in above 14, 146. So 146 is ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. Let's see 145, 146 से ज़्यादा कितने हैं? 25, 30, 65, 85, 100. This is not. 40, this is definitely high. 17, 95, 145. So it is not. 85, 90, 120, 130, definitely not. 25, 25, 50. 101.5, this is definitely yes. So there are only two in the ingredients, M and P. So the answer is 2. So pretty decent and straightforward set when it comes to the level of CAT. You can find it like 1 to 2 such sets can be found in this CAT exam. In fact, we had some straightforward set. So the optimum time is again, as I told you, 7 to 8, just a bit of calculations, nothing else. I hope you guys understood. If you did, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.